5 kg wheat where they get already, we shall give another 5 kg for free, and that we shall give for the next 3 months. Besides, we also shall give 1 kg of pulse, whichever pulse is regionally, as it is, people prefer some pulse in some region according to regional preferences. Some areas prefer tuar, some other prefer urad, some other prefer moong. For each one household, 1 kg of the preferred pulse will also be given, dal will also be given. So 5 kg per person for the next 3 months, additional, free, over and above what they get already. And for every household, 1 kg of the choice of pulse in that, usually given in that area, will be given, so that no garib remains without food in his hand. And this is very clearly for the next 3 months. It can be taken as in 2 installments. They can come and take it in 1 installment first, and then they can take the next whenever next time they want it. But over and above what they get, we now give 5 kg in addition to what they get of the cereal, and 1 kg per household, the pulses per household of the region-specific choice of dal. That will be given for the next 3 months.
जैसा कि प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण पैकेज की बात कही गई, ये लगभग 1,70,000 करोड़ रुपए का पैकेज होगा। प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण पैकेज 1,70,000 करोड़ का होगा, और इसमें अगर देखा जाए तो खाद्य सुरक्षा बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है कि कोई भी गरीब इस कारण से परेशान ना हो कि उसके पास खाने के लिए पर्याप्त गेहूं, चावल या दाल ना हो। तो उसके लिए पहला कदम जो उठाया गया है वो प्रधानमंत्री अन्न योजना, इसके माध्यम से 5 किलो गेहूं या चावल ये लगभग 80 करोड़ लाभार्थियों को अगले 3 महीनों तक मिलेगा, और इसमें इनको 1 रुपया भी अपनी तरफ से नहीं देना है। ये अतिरिक्त लाभ इनको दिया गया है। ऐसे 80 करोड़ लाभार्थी जिनको 5 किलो गेहूं या चावल अगले 3 महीने तक ये लगातार मिलेगा, अतिरिक्त मिलेगा जो उनको मिलता है उससे ज़्यादा, और ये जो पीडीएस के सिस्टम के माध्यम से मिलता है उसके अलग से ये देने हैं। और इसके अलावा जो दाल इनको मिले तो 1 किलो दाल का प्रावधान भी परिवार के लिए किया गया है, और ये भी अगले 3 महीनों तक लगातार मिलती रहेगी। ये भी अपने क्षेत्र के अनुसार जिस तरह की दाल वो चाहते हैं वो उपलब्ध करवाने का सरकार का प्रयास रहेगा, ताकि उनकी मांग के अनुसार ही वो उनको मिल सके। तो गेहूं चावल के साथ साथ दाल भी मिलेगी, और ये 1,70,000 करोड़ के जो पीएम गरीब कल्याण पैकेज है उसका हिस्से का एक पार्ट ये भी है।
Now I move over to the cash transfers. Just for your convenience, under the cash transfer, which is largely based on DBT, there are 8 specific announcements being made. And for your benefit, in the sense so that it is easy for you to notice, which are the sections we are touching. We are touching the farmer. 1, I'll tell you the details. We are touching the Manrega, which is the 2nd. 3rd will be widows, poor pensioners, and poor Divyang. That will be my 3rd. Then we will be talking about the Jan Dhan Yojana related women who have Jan Dhan Yojana accounts. Then we are talking of, together with that, I like to also talk about women and householders who receive benefits under the Ujjwala scheme. So that will be getting covered. You're also going to be having something said for the self-help group women who particularly are dealing with national rural livelihood missions, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya livelihood mission. So women in the SHG groups. Then you're talking about organized sector workers who are essentially through the EPFO. So I'll be telling something for them. Then we'll also be talking about construction workers. And lastly, we will be talking something about the district mineral fund also. So I go to the first one, farmers. Farmers, you know, they receive 6,000 rupees annually from the PM Kisan Yojana, Kisan Samman Nidhi, through which they get